Well, it might seem hard to reach out at a time like this. People across our area are coming up with creative ways to uplift our doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers. Rachel Menitoff continues our team coverage tonight with more on the moving tributes.
For a brief moment in the day,
all of this, I think, really just kind of lifts the spirits of our staff and really buoys their resolve.
all of these University of Maryland frontline healthcare workers are getting a bit of a reprieve. They lined up outside the hospital and were greeted by a parade of sirens and flashing lights. Orchestrated by the Arundel County Police Department. From one frontline worker to another, they waved from afar and said thank you for their life-saving work.
When you look at all the faces behind me, these doctors and nurses, they're the ones that are coming out every day and risking bringing this back to their families and their loved ones.
That same support continued throughout Baltimore City and County. The restaurant Killa Dogs donated some of its famous hot dogs and other food to Sinai Hospital, while dozens of kids organized to create virtual greeting cards for University of Maryland Medical Center workers.
So this is just a way to give back and put a smile on faces.
On Wednesday, this Maryland group of Chinese Americans from Howard and Montgomery counties brought $100,000 in personal protective equipment to Baltimore's hospitals.
Some of my colleagues said, we have to do something. We cannot just wait.
Dr. David Hunt is the chief nursing officer at the Baltimore-Washington Medical Center.
I think everybody was really buoyed by that, and it gives them a lot of energy going back into the hospital this afternoon.
Dr. Hunt says people are working long hours and many more are signing up to work extra shifts on days off. That's why these tributes are so meaningful for all of the heroes who work here. Reporting in Anne Arundel County, I'm Rachel Menitoff for WJZ.